name is Neelam Khandare. I am an engineer by profession. I work in IT. I have invested in Gami Ved, which is in Nerul, Sector 18. For me, dream house is something I own of my own, without any intervention or without any financial help from anyone. So that is something which I have achieved and I feel so proud of my own self. It's something beyond expression, and I can see that joy in my son's eyes also, so I'm happy. Kami Ved is something it is nearby my preference area, which is Nerul, and I was looking for something which will have the connectivity plus the educational and the curriculum and etc. So I have a kid. I wanted to have something good in future also, so that he will be he will be, will be happy to stay forever. There are several amenities like swimming pool, there are indoor games and outdoor games, so my son is very excited about it. So we are happy with the amenities, hoping for the best. Let's explore it. Connectivity, as in I work in IT, as I said, so I prefer to go by train. So I wanted that train plus bus plus even personal vehicle, if it should be convenient for us to go here and there. So I feel the Nerul is best location for us. We got connected to Satyam sir. He explained both options, 2 BHK and 1 BHK. So whatever in our budget, we have chose that. He have given us several options of paying, and as well as the bank's option, how much we can go for the loan and everything. So he helped us in various situations. I was very satisfied with Satyam sir, whatever explanation and whatever options he has shared with us. I'm very happy with that. The overall experience of mine till now is very good, and I'm hoping that we will have a good relation going ahead also. And I just wanted to tell that in future, if I ever want to upgrade or if I ever want to buy again, I will definitely go with Gami. Perfection and excellence is the two words I would give for the Gami project. Till now I would give 8.